But yeah, we're gonna be talking about deals. And so, if you guys don't know me, but I'm Sid Hameed with Brick Firm Properties and Construction. I've been around for a long time here in the D.C., Maryland, Virginia area. So we're going to be talking about how we do deals, and then how we get some of the deals and some of the different marketing things that we're doing today in 2020 to try to get some deals. So, and then also this is open. So if you guys want to share, you have ideas, you have things that you guys are using, share. So we're going to be just talking and having a conversation and learning off of each other. So I had made a list of just really quickly. I just got home from a job that we're working on, and so I just made a list of just basic stuff that we're doing. Basically, one of the ways that we get most of our deals from is through the relationship of people that we're familiar with in the DC, Maryland marketplace. So we have a relationship with attorneys, we have a relationship with probate attorneys, and we're going to send you guys this list. So at the end, we'll send you a PDF with all the different ways of getting leads and the different ways we're marketing. So you'll have that list and you could use it in your business also. So, and then if you guys want to add something to that list that we're not doing, then we can modify the list. But the goal is to create a little small group of people that are really doing deals and doing activity, rather than there's a lot of people out here that want to do the business but not really putting in the time, and they're not really hustling and doing the business. So we're going to talk about that. But right now, so relationships, I have a lot of relationships, and the key is to create solid relationships in your local community, your local neighborhoods. Just be cool with them and do what you say you're going to do. And build relationship with attorneys, with title companies, with money people that have 401k plans, retirement plans. I can show you how guys to raise capital, that with people that have whole life policies, how to get the money from there, and then tie it into a property and give them an 8 to 10% return on the asset. So I've been doing a few of those projects recently with some private money, because sometimes the hard money cost is too expensive and it takes away from the profit margin on the back end. So if you could create multiple relationships with some private money people, then you guys could save some money there. The other thing is basically networking, right? So just going to different groups, networking with the right people. When you go to a lot of these groups and these deal meetup groups and stuff like that, everybody's not the right person to talk to and to network with. So you figure out like who is the people in the room that are the real players, right? So pay attention, go to some of these things a few times, and figure out the people that are just like you and that you want to be around, and then get rid of the people that don't want to talk to, that are going to be wasting your time. But again, that takes time to figure out who's legit and then who's real. But the more you go to these events, you guys will figure that out.